there are many tools available to you inside the portal. So I'm going to show you where some of those things are listed. I'm going to go into Mozilla, which is supposed to be the browser that is best to use for the portal. And I'm going to go to our website, and I'm going to click on my CCCTI. I'm going to log into the portal. And takes me directly to the portal. Mine looks a little different than yours, but I'm going to go in like I'm a student so that you can see what it looks like. And I'm going to go into a couple of things here. One is going to be a VSO, and it takes me to an external link. A VSO is where you can see your averages from Moodle, your last login, your attendance, if your instructor is keeping up with attendance. You can see your transcripts, you can see your profile with your phone number. All of those great things are listed there now. And again, mine will look a little different because I'm an instructor instead of a student, but the login is the same. And you will be able to click on your particular profile. There'll be a box there for transcripts. There'll be a box there so that you can see messages from your advisor and those type of things. So this is a really good program for you to log into and get to know. The other one that you're going to want to look at, let me go back to the portal, is webadvisor. And webadvisor will have a couple of things in it that are really good for you. If I click on webadvisor for students and I click on academic profile, you can see that there's program evaluation, there's transcript, there's grade point average by term, there's my class schedule, my test summary. I'm going to click on program evaluation because this is where you would be able to look and see what you've taken and what you need. So let's see if this is going to open for us. It's a little slow today. Okay, now I do not have any student things here because, of course, I'm not a student. So I've taken some Con Ed classes with them. So I'm going to go over here and say, what if I change my program to Associate in Arts? Because that's what a lot of you have, so that you can see what it looks like. And this has all the things that are planned to take, all the things that I've taken, those type of things. So you'll pick the catalog. Now, the way the catalog works is you can only submit the catalog that you're currently under. You can only change a catalog if you're getting ready to graduate. So most of you are probably under the 2016 catalog. I'm going to click on that. And it's going to show you these long lines. Those are the things that you need to take. So if I scroll down and look, and yours will look like this too. See, mine shows that I've not taken any of the developmental courses, and it has that long line and it says one course needed. So you can see if you've taken the course, out beside it, it'll show you when you took it and what your grade was. It'll tell you how many credits you need. Like this says I need 6 credits in English 111 and English 112. Each credit of English 111 is 3 hours, so that's telling me that I need both those 2 classes. This one says take 9 credits, so I don't have to take every one of these classes. I just need 9 credits in a minimum of 2 subjects. So I could take art and communications. I could take another English class if I liked them, as long as they're in 2 different subjects. So that's what this looks like. And this is something really handy for you to pull up and look at. And you can do like I did. Let me go back. And let's say you're in Associate in Arts and you'd like to find out what happened if you changed it to Associate in Science. What would happen if you did that? It's going to calculate it with the classes that you have, but it's going to change to that particular degree program. So this is one of the things that you're going to want to be familiar with. So this is called the program. This is under your academic profile, and it's called the program evaluation. You can also find your transcript listed, and again, I only have a Con Ed transcript. I don't have a curriculum transcript, so if I click on it, it should be blank. Let's see. Yeah, it'll just say total credits earned, total grade points, cumulative GPA. yours will have all the things filled out here. Your test summary, if you took tests with us, like placement tests, those type of things, those will be there. Your class schedule will be listed there, and it's listed by term. If I click on mine for the summer of 2017, it says that I do not have a schedule because I don't have a schedule for a student because I'm in that. But you could go through this and see all of those kinds of things that you might need. The program evaluation is a very good tool for you to use for your planning purposes for your e-portfolio as well.